lovelies, this is Hema from Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. First of all, thank you so much for the wonderful response which we are getting globally, and we can say that Shivani Boutique is becoming cosmopolitan because people from all over the places started coming to Shivani's Boutique. We really thank every one of you wholeheartedly. Today it's going to be a little bit of fancy, stylish and modern concept. What I'm wearing, it's an organza sari where you can find beautiful blouse in this. It's a hand embroidery Parsi work. So this is the back portion, and for the sleeves it comes this way. So this is how the sari looks. So such a beautiful sari, and today it's going to be in such a way. Alright, and I've got nice vibrant colors in this. So the organza, you can wear it like a single pleated or with pins, however you wanted to. And the highlighting part of this is a hand embroidery Parsi works blouse. So I wanted to open and show you the blouse. These ranges could be like, I just wanted to tell, 6,500, 6,000 to 6,500 ranges, and this sari cost is 6,500. And I've got nice colors in this. So see, this is a peachish pink color sari, and I wanted to show you the highlighting part in each of the sari is the blouse. So this is how the blouse looks. Alright, and then see, this is a bright pink color, chocolate pink. It's not that much bright, it's a nice pink color sari, and the blouse is this. So organza saris, and the blouse part is the beautiful part in the sari, so that it's fancy, stylish and modern concept. So this is another blue color with a contrast matching pink colored blouse. So this is how the blouse looks. Such a nice, amazing concept. All are hand embroidery sari. And then peach color with a purple matching. This color is something really new. See the color? I'll open this and show. See how beautiful the colors are. It gels beautiful with this peach and this purple color blouse and black. So all comes with the blouse, and it's all like hand embroidery blouses. So this is the sari as such, and blouse is this. So it's a contrast matching deep bottle green color blouse, and once again it's a nice yellow color, and you've got yellow color. See, the contrast matching is really good, and this is the blouse back portion, and you can find all over embroideries. And here the blouse is not stitched. Some may this sari is something really different from the others. That is Parsi work, and this is Ari work sari with hand human embroideries, and I wanted to show the blouse part for this. Blouse is a thick modal silk fabric where you can find embroideries on the sleeves. And my next sari is this organza sari with painted works. See this? Lovely. So this is the pallu part. Okay. And then the sari comes this way. You can find minute motifs, small pearl works all over the sari. And see here the scallop, and the blouse is this half desert blouse. So you can find all this scallop, and you can stitch according to that. And I've got nice color in this. The second color is this yellow color. It's all hand painted one. And the next sari is this organza. There. Such a beautiful sari. Organzas are now in the trend. People keep asking me for organza because the look is something really nice and different, and it comes with an embroidery. See this? This is a combination of both machine and hand embroidery work. And once again, it's an organza sari. So all are not Parsi work. Please read the descriptions carefully and then place your orders. So this is once again a black color sari, nice floral design, and this is a hand embroidery Parsi work. Once again, it's an organza sari. So, organza lovers, this is your episode. Then grab your collection. Whatever is new, the Shivani Boutique from Tirunelveli update. What each and every day it's going to be a new update. Whoever loves saris can definitely step into our boutique and you can find your own dream colors. And this is a jacquard blouse with hand embroideries all over. And my last sari in this organza is something really different and a mixture of tradition and contemporary. See this. Organza is a little bit stylish. Here you can find this border. It's a Banarasi border. And then the blouse is also nice. It's Banarasi blouse. So this is how, that's why I meant this as a mix of tradition and contemporary. Let me tell you the range for the sari. It's 4,200. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed seeing our collections. For prices and product descriptions, log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link above, that is just above the video. It will straight away lands you to that page, organza sarees. Or else if you find any difficulties in placing your orders, 9585501762 is our WhatsApp number. We do shipping globally, internationally, everywhere. We are there at your doorsteps. Thank you so much. We'll meet you soon with lots and lots of lovely pretty collections, and bye bye.